Hello guys again. Okay, so I've already published my video number 1 regarding Odoo containers. Odoo controllers. I'm sorry. So again, welcome to Odooistic, and this is the continuation of Odoo controllers video. This is the part 2. So as you can see here on my screen, this is a result of our first controller customization. So we are just going to refine this a bit. Okay, so what we do, we just again go to Visual Studio Code. So at the moment, this is the controller file. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to remove this code and add a new bit. Why I'm not writing line by line again, just for saving your time, because already this topic has been extended a bit. So what I'm going to, I have already written this code and I will explain you what I have done here. So first of all, from Odoo import HTTP, I have already explained you in my first video from Odoo.http, and then import request. Also, I have explained it to you. This imports Odoo's HTTP controller framework, which allows you to define custom web routes that handle incoming HTTP requests. So then after that, there is class product catalog controller. This is also I have explained to you in my first video. This defines a controller class named product catalog controller inheriting from http.controller. Okay, then after that, at http.route. So basically, this is a decorator that defines the URL endpoint for this controller method, and this is actually our product catalog. So this is, I have already explained it to you. After that, domain is equal to a empty list. So basically this initializes an empty list named domain, which will be used to build search filters for the product search. In Odoo, domains are used to define search criteria when querying models. Okay, after that, we say if search. So what it means, this actually checks if the search parameter, a term search, was passed to the method, and then this line domain plus is equal to, and then in the filter, search domain filter, we say that name I like search. This adds a search filter to the domain. The filter name I like search means that Odoo will search for products where the product name contains the search term and its case sensitive match thanks to I like. Next, we are applying category. We are applying the category filter if category ID underscore ID. So this checks if a category filter has been provided. So basically, then again we have set the domain for this. This adds a filter to the domain that limits the results to products belonging to the specified category. The integer category underscore ID ensures that the category ID is treated as an integer. If category underscore ID is set to 5, for example, this filter would only return products in category 5. So this is basically the logic behind it. And then fetch products based on search and filters. So here products is equal to request.increase. So here we are searching product.template and we are applying domain order by sort by. So request.env product.template, this accesses the product.template model in Odoo, which stores information about products. .search domain comma order is equal to f, so that is f string sort by underscore by ascending order. This performs a search on the product.template model using the domain filters we have built, and it orders the results based on the sort underscore by parameter, which could be name, default, or list price. For example, if sort underscore by is equal to name, it will sort the products alphabetically by name. Then categories is equal to request.env product.category.search. So this fetches all product categories from the product.category model, since the search call is made with an empty domain, and it returns all categories. These, because we have not applied any filter, so these categories will be displayed in a drop down on the product catalog page so that users can filter products by category. Okay, right? After that, we are rendering the web page as usual. So return request.render. This method renders the HTML template for the product catalog page. It takes two arguments, the template ID and a dictionary of values to pass to the template. Customization.product_catalog_template. So this is the external ID of the QWeb, this one. And the template is defined in an XML file and is responsible for displaying the product catalog. You already know we have already created this template, so which we will bit enhance, but this is the name of the template. Right, and this is the name of the template. And then products, So basically passes the list of products filtered and sorted to the template so the products can be displayed. Then categories, and then colons categories. So this passes the list of all product categories to the template so users can filter by category. Then after that, search, and then colon search passes the current search term to the template so it can show the search input with the value entered by the user. And then next, selected _category_ID, and then integer in bracket category_ID if category_ID else none. So what is doing actually, this passes the currently selected category ID, if any, to the template. So the selected category can be highlighted in the drop down. And then last but not the least, sort by passes the current sorting option. So for example, name or list price to the template so it can show the selected sorting option in the drop down. So in summary, the controller defines a route product/catalog that anyone can access via the web. It accepts optional parameters for search, category filtering, and sorting. Domain filters are applied based on the search term and selected category, and then fetching data, and then we are rendering it after that. I have just shown and explained it, every single thing in proper details. So I hope you will understand this. So next, let's go to our templates. So what I'm going to do, I will just change this file. So at the moment, this is our template. Let's remove this and let's add a new code. Okay, now let's go through this QWeb template line by line and explain each part of the code in detail. So the first, this part, which is Odoo, and then template ID is equal to product catalog underscore template, name is equal to product catalog. So Odoo, this is the root tag, as already you know, for an Odoo XML file. Template, this defines a new QWeb template. ID is, this is ID, the template is given the ID which allows the controller to reference and render this template. And the name is equal to product space catalog. This is the human readable name of the template, useful for identifying it in the system. Next, we are calling website.layout. So again, I'll let you know that you need to install website module in Odoo before doing this, because we are calling website module, or in our manifest file, we are also depending on website module as well. which I show you. If we go in our web, manifest files, so as you can see, we are depending the website. So then there is a class. We are starting a class. We say div class is equal to container. This creates a container with the bootstrap class. The container helps align and center content and padding on both sides of the page. Then a product catalog h1. Basically, the h1 tag defines the main heading of the page, product catalog, which will be styled as a large heading. Then this one, this is new. This is a search bar. We are setting a search bar. So form method is equal to get action product / catalog. This defines a form element with the get method, which sends search / filtering data through the URL. And action is equal to in parentheses product / catalog. When the form is submitted, the request will be sent to the product / catalog route, which is handled by the controller. Then search input type is equal to text here. Name is equal to search. So this line basically creates a text input field for searching products by name. Name is equal to search, the name of the input field used in the URL parameters to filter by the product name. And then t-att-value. So this one basically binds the current search value to the input field if the user previously searched for something. It will be displayed in the field when the page reloads. Okay, then the next bit, this one, select name to this one. So basically this select name is equal to category ID class is this. So this creates a drop down for selecting a product category to filter the product list. Name is equal to category _ ID. The value of this select field will be passed to the URL as category _ ID, allowing the controller to filter products by category. And then this one, class is equal to form control empty2, this one. Bootstrap class is used for styling, and empty2 adds a top margin for spacing. Then option value, this one. This line, this is a default option that resets the filter to show all categories if no specific category is selected. And then we are doing loop. This loops through all the product categories fetched by the controller and creates an option element for each. And then option t-att-value category.id, this line. So basically this binds the category ID to the options value attribute. So when a user selects a category, the form submits the corresponding ID. Then category name, the t-escape, this one. So basically displays the category name as inside the option. t-esc ensures that the category name is displayed safely without any untrusted HTML. Then sorting option here, this section. So this drop down allows the user to sort products by name or price. Select name is equal to sort by. The name attributes defines the query parameters sort _ by, which is passed to the controller when the form is submitted. And then again a bootstrap class. Then next line, option value is equal to name t-ett-selected is equal to sort by is equal to name sort by name option. So this checks if the current sort method is by name. If so, the option is marked as selected. And then sort by price, the next line. Similar to the name option, this marks the price sorting option as selected if sort _ by is set to list price. And then a filter button. So basically we have designed a new button which is called submit. This is a submit button that submits the form when clicked. The class is equal to btn dash primary empty dash 2 styled using again bootstraps for a blue button and empty dash 2 for margin spacing, and the button triggers a search, filtering and sorting when clicked. And then the last bit, product list. So here UL class and then product dash list, the name. This creates an unordered list to display the list of the products. Then again, custom class product dash list is used for styling, and empty dash 4 adds margin top for spacing. Then again we are looping through, and then TS product, each product is referenced as product inside the loop, product item, and then displays the product name as heading. Ensuring it's safe with T-escape, then price, and then it's also showing price along with $sign or currency sign. So in summary, layout and structure, the template uses Odoo's website layout and bootstrap for styling and alignment. Search and filters, the search bar, category, drop down and sorting options allows users to filter and sort the product list, and then we are showing the product list after that. So I hope you understand this whole template. I have tried my best to explain it to you line by line, and I believe you will definitely understand and will have a clear idea of what we have done. If you want to change your SCSS file, you can do that, but I'm not going to change it. Let's just be like that. Let's again refresh and upgrade our Odoo module. We go in apps, and I just want to upgrade my module, which is Odoo 17 customization. So okay, it has worked well. We go again, localhost :8069, the port number, and then product, and then /catalog. Oh wow, so you can see that our module is properly working. So here we can search products with any name. So if I just write chair and click filter, so you will see I can see only products with chairs. See, this name, it's searching in these all products. So I clear the search and click filter, so we will get all products again. So here if I just choose all, I will see all the products here. If I will choose expenses, I will only, there are two products which category ID is expenses. Then internal, I will get nothing. Saleable, nothing. I will get office furniture. So all these office furniture items are there. Services, I will get all these three services. Saleable, nothing. Software, just one software is there. Isn't it beautiful? It looks beautiful, it looks good, and it adds up lots of more ideas in your list to do, guys. If I do expenses and sort by name, sort by price, so this is sort by price. It's working. Everything is working perfect and beautifully, as we imagined, as I imagined. I have given you, I believe, enough platform to start controllers with a boom. You can do whatever you like now. I think so, not very simple framework I have provided to you. I have provided you a proper, I believe, a solid foundation, and from here you can just create a beautiful building. I hope you like this video. If you have liked it, please like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to this channel, and voila, take care and take care of your loved ones as well. Thank you. Bye bye.